Very cool. Awesome. Thank you, Thunder. Breathe in deep. All the way out. Head relax. Think about love. Trap. All the way.
Wait, I did good.
In.
That's sweet, Aiden.
And out.
Sorry.
Next time I'm going to swing. Okay, breathe in deep. And out. Chin relaxed.
Oh.
Like that. There we go. Oh!
I know.
Oh! Oh! God! Oh, God! Okay. You good, London?
Yes.
Champion. Oh, shit.
Yeah, very
He's just trying to get the video. Breathe in. And out.
That one feels the best.
Hands up here, London, on top of mine. Interlock your fingers. Go and squeeze really hard. Ow, not that hard.
Oh, sorry.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, not that. Is this
Squeeze
good?
down. Yeah, I'm kidding. Fall back. A little bit. Drop all the way.
Wait, what?
I'll just wait for you. There we go. It's always the chest relaxed. There you go. Yeah, breathe in. Loose. Chin relaxed. Beautiful.
Whoa.
Come on over this way. Girl is styling today, man. I don't even want to like mess up the outfit, you know? Okay. Right. Lift the hips up. Up. Higher. Breathe in deep. And all the way out. Drop the hips. There you go. Yeah. Big breath in. And out. You alright? That was a big one. Yeah. Much more back to your normal self. Head relaxed, let it go.
Every time I get nervous.
Big breath in. All the way out. Chest relaxed. There we go.
Yes.
Breathe in and out. Wow. We're going to slide down just a little bit. We're going to lift that up a little bit. Head relaxed. Breath in again. And out.
Oh.
Wow. That was a big one. Go ahead and lay on your right side facing me. Good to have you back.
I know, me
Come
too.
on. Let's get to work. This one's a little lower here. So we're down on the sacrum there. We're going to breathe in. And hips drop.
Oh, yes.
Come on over this way. Okay. Gonna straighten that one out. Hips relaxed. Big breath. We're moving. Okay, good job, my dear.
Oh, yes.
Slide up this way a little bit. She remembers the hair. There we go.
Yeah, I got to.
I'll lower this a little bit. Head relaxed.
Oh, yes.
Wow, big movement. Drop there.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Yay.
Up a little bit. Head relaxed. Arms to the floor.
Okay.
Yeah, loose all the way. Wow.
Yes.
Stress much?
I have way too much anxiety.
Breathe in deep. All the way out. Arms relaxed.
Oh my god. Oh, it kind of knocked the wind out of me.
It's alright. Better little tough movement now than more problems later, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Shoulders relaxed, the arms like, yeah, breathe in deep again. All the way out. Drop it. Yeah, exactly.
Dude, that sounds crazy.
That was way better. Good stuff. Hips relax. And out. One more. Use the arthro stem up here. All the way out. Chin up a little bit and let it go. That was beautiful. Breathe. And out. Let it go, let it go. And out. Wow. Yeah. Think of it like this. Come on over this way. Easy, easy. Wow. Yay. Champion. And fall back. Squeeze down. Fall back. Very cool. Yeah. Oh, very cool.
Oh, yes.
Ooh, look who's moving today. Beautiful, Ash. Come on, your right side facing me.
Yeah, get this one, right?
This way, this way. And then I'll roll to the other side, There we go. Hips relaxed. Straighten that out. Okay, come on, keep those arms here. Breathe in deep. And out. Hips relaxed, shoulders relaxed. She's tight.
Ooh, right?
Yo, that would be funny. And it would get followers too.
Face up, Ash.
Like, follow my shadow.
Thank you, Ray.
You know what I mean?
All the way out. Check, relax, check, chest. Nice. Good movement. And then hips relax. We're gonna come over this way facing me now, please. The blue wall. This way. The upper back's moving more and more.
Really?
Despite, yeah, really.
Right side is so sore.
That's because your body keeps trying to go back and it keeps trying to squeeze down. It's been like that for
So
years. Yeah, that's why you don't care. Hips relax. Smoother. Better. Like this way. Hips relaxed. Right. There, breath in. All the way out. Shoulders relaxed. Drop the hips, drop the hips. Awesome. Okay. Now breathe in. Squeeze and fall back. Look up. Fall back more. Drop your head a little bit. Drop it. Wow. Yeah. We're doing what's called an anterior cervical. Drop the head all the way. Right through there a little more. Beautiful. Back shades. All right, breathe in. And out. Shoulders relaxed, chest relaxed, drop, drop, drop.
Oh.
Wow. You could just see this whole area relax afterwards. Breathe in and out. Chin up slightly, chest relaxed, arms loose. Wow. It's amazing. Hips relaxed. Checking the motion of the sacrum. We're going to do something a little different here. You're going to lay on your side facing me, love. Okay. I'm going to bend here. This one's a little bit at them angles. You lift up your hips in the air, up, up, and then let go. And then let the arms relax. Breathe in deep. Yep, and breathe. And out.
Oh, I like that one.
Crazy. Okay, and then we're going back to the same position. Right there. Just go like this. Breathe in and out. Shoulders relax. Oh, well, it's tight. Yeah, it's tough when it doesn't move so well.
Yeah.
Come on over this way. Let me slide the table over so I'm not We're in Sean's face so much. Here we go.
I can move.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, big breath in and out. And go this way. Drop the hips. Beautiful.
Sure.
Come on. Okay, big breath in and out. Let it go. There you go. Drop your head all the way. It's right for you.
That was actually not that bad. Am I done?
Would you relax? Have you seen your spine?
Yeah.
Would you relax? Breathe in deep.
I do the other way too?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't do it. You just relax.
Okay. I'm
She likes to drive the bus, huh? Yeah.
She doesn't though. She likes it.
I'm trying to relax here.
Breathe. And out. Drop. Oh. Breathe in. And out. Come on. Don't be walking around subluxated. Atta girl. We're gonna have you lay on your left side. There we go. What's it like to be amazing, eh?
It's cool.
It's cool. Okay, breathe in and out. Hips relax. This is an anterior sacral. Beautiful. We got it. On your back, stay there. Now what we're going to do is come up for the huggy wuggy adjustment. Cross the arms, hips a little towards this way, yeah. And then hold yourself up, breathe in. Stay close to me. How amazing is that?
So good.
So good. On your side this way, little lady. Okay, let the hips relax. And yeah, let it go right there. We're going to round like this. You relax. Can I just lower this a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Breathe deep. Bring it like that. Take care of that lumbar spine right there. Breathe. You know. You got it today.
Got it.
Okay. And out. That was your C5. Atlas.
Nice.
That lower, I love that lower thoracic. Breathe in again. All the way out. We'll come right back to that. Wow. Definitely tight up there, right? All that tension and stress of being Katrina. Perfect. We're gonna breathe in, sweetie. Yeah, no, you're I'm like twice your size. You won't fall off the table. Breathe in. All the way out. Drop the hips. Beautiful. You must have been braiding hard last night.
Oh my god, she was pulling my hair so tight, I thought my hair was like gonna...
You're all kind of tense too. I can feel. Okay, come on over this way. Let's go back this way. So we want each adjustment to get a little easier and easier.
If I'm not like
You're
relaxed,
perfect.
you tell me.
Okay. Beautiful. I knew that was. I knew that was the sit up tall to the little one. Breathe in deep. This is like a hug. Head forward, and then breathe out. Fall back. Right. There
Oh
we
my
go.
god.
All the way out.
Oh my god, it feels amazing. Why is that always funny?
Yeah. Chin up a little bit. Right there. Beautiful. Way out. Drop. Beautiful. We did it. No. Head relax a little bit. Okay. Drop. Beautiful motion. T1. Breathe in. And out.
Oh, hello.
Good morning. Breath in. And out. Keep those arms relaxed. full motion, T12. Those nerves go to the diaphragm. Breathe in and out. Roll back. Beautiful alignment. Okay, hips relax. Okay, I'm going to have you come onto your right side, so facing me over here. We're going to do, again, very, very, very gentle adjustment here. Hips relax. Just go ahead. Right there. I'm going to bring you right there into the perfect position. I'm going to hold you here. Again, I'm going to go like way down here, right? You got to get that sacrum to kind of come back into its normal alignment. Exactly. I'm going to lean way over you, right? There, drop the hips more. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't feel it yesterday, but I felt it today.
Yeah, right on. And then on your back right here. Head relax, and then let me get all this hair out of the way here. And slow deep breath in and out. Just breathe into that. There we go. So this one's a little louder. It's closer to the ears. Slow deep breath.
Oh, it feels so good.
Breath in. And out. And relax. Drop your head a little more. Wow. Relax. Excellent. Breathe again. And out. Nice motion. Calling you out like I'm not wearing a costume either, right? All right, so big deep breath in and out. Shoulders relax all the way. Nice. And then breath in again. All the way out. Chest relax. Wow. That was legit. And come on over this way facing me, Cal. Nice. Like so. There you go. Hips relaxed again. Up. Ooh. I like it. You been feeling a little better?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Thank goodness. Okay. Breath in again. Drop, drop. Beautiful. Dear, face up, please. There we go. Relax. In. Wow.
Okay. Bye.
Woo!
Perfect.
Come on. Come over this way, young lady.
Got it. How's your day going?
If I were any better, they might call me Victoria.
Yes.
Hips relaxed. Right there. Perfect. Ready to go face up. Good job, dear. Head relax.
Yes.
It happens. There we go. We're gonna breathe in, dear. All the way out.
Wow,
There you go.
that felt amazing.
Come on. Feels good to be in alignment, doesn't it?
Seriously, I couldn't stop smiling. I was trying to calm down.
No reason to calm the excitement.
It's true. I'm just gonna be.
Go this way. Breath in and out. Drop the hips, loose, loose. Good job relaxing, dear.
Yes. See, I'm working on the relaxation.
I see it, I see it. Come up this way. Shoulder adjustment here. Breathe in and out.
Oh wow.
Now I say smaller because the release was bigger.
Yeah.
Really deep. And then out. Fall back, back, back. Up, look up. Keep your arms down.
Okay.
There we go. Fall back, back, back.
Oh, it's like a little hop step.
Yeah. My hands go here. Your hands go on top of mine. Squeeze down. Breathe in. Fall back. Chest up, up, up. Wow. Stay there. Breathe. Are we okay?
Mm-hmm.
And relax. Hands down. Chest up. Breathe. Head relax. We're going to go this way. Breathe in deep. And out. Head relax. Yeah, right there. that area we need to ice. Let me take this. I'm gonna breathe and out. Beautiful.
Okay, that was good.
Cool. Very cool.